Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hamdan Fauzi. I will teach how to clean keyboard laptop. Happy watching. Tools and material used are wipe soft cloth, soft brush, and alcohol. The first step, unplug and turn off your laptop. Step 2. Turn your laptop upside down while it's open and tap or shake to dislodge debris. Here, to remove the large piece of dirt to make next step easier. Step 3 is use a soft brush to wipe and clean loose debris from between the case of your laptop. Step 4 is wipe the entire button with a soft cloth, lightly dampened. Moisten the corner of the cloth with stain remover such as alcohol or something else, which is also useful for removing smudge from your laptop screen. Last step, if the dirt on the keyboard is gone, clean it again with a dry cloth. And clean. Thank you for watching. Hope it is useful. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.